The Supreme Court of India has admitted a public interest litigation challenging adultery laws in the country. Under Section 497 of the Indian Penal Code, a man can be punished with up to 5 years in jail or a penalty of both if he has sexual intercourse with the wife of another man. Women are not punished under the law. The court has given central government 4 weeks to reply. And there's a battle regarding a certain form of gender equality happening in the Indian courts. In fact, the Supreme Court of India has admitted a public interest litigation challenging adultery laws in the country. Under Section 497 of the Indian Penal Code, in fact, a man can be punished with up to 5 years in jail or a penalty or both if he has sexual intercourse with the wife of another man. Women are not punished under this law. The court has given central government 4 weeks to reply. And joining us, our political editor, Kartikeya Sharma. Kartikeya, thank you very much again. We are using your expertise more and more throughout the day today. So this seems a legal battle which trickles down into the society, isn't it?
See, I don't see this as a legal battle, and I'll break the story into 3 parts, Daniele. One is called gender empowerment. Now, gender empowerment has taken place in India from 1948 onwards, when Constituent Assembly was shaped. Which was, at that point of time, it was led by Pandit Jawaharlal, B.R. Ambedkar. And the gender emancipation took place in form of women getting the right to vote, even before women in Great Britain got the right to vote. And the reason why I'm making this point is that in that context, the Hindu personal law was also reformed, Widow Remarriage Act took place. That was the part one. Second part was when issues like rape, harassment, stringent laws to protect women, or the post-Nirbhaya controversy where certain amendments were made in law, or for example, the anti-dowry laws, they were all tightened in a way, they were made stronger in a way, which ensured that the women are not subjected to mental harassment, torture, or any form of violence. Now, this is the third aspect of it. Third aspect of it is in context of gender neutrality. Like, for example, there was a revision which took place in the high courts, and that is the anti-dowry law being used against men. For example, even the harassment laws, there was a debate which took place that even men can be harassed. So if you are talking about harassment, it should be gender neutral. Thirdly, now when you talk about adultery, again you have to see it from a gender neutral perspective. You know, it can take place from both the sides. So this is, I think, third stage in our history of lawmaking, whereby we are looking this issue of harassment, violence, and other forms of torture from a gender neutral perspective, and ensuring in that process that women are safe from certain pervertness of the feudal customs which the subcontinent has inherited in forms of or in conservative forms of patriarchy. So the point I'm trying to make, Daniele, is that the centre will be replying in 4 weeks, so that the court will form up its opinion on adultery, whether they take a gender neutral perspective or they take a gendered perspective is a different thing. But I think it's a welcome step.